Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you another classic effect called the Devil's Elevator. And the Devil's Elevator just has to do with any group of 4 black cards, and that makes the Devil's Elevator. And if you take a corresponding spot card, so for example, this is the ace, that would be 1, the 2 would be 2, the 3 would be 3, and the 4 would be 4. Place them any number of cards down from the top. The spot card will always come back to the top in the Devil's Elevator. So if you take the ace with a value of 1, place it 1 card down in the Devil's Elevator, push the elevator button, which is very important, the ace comes back to the top. Now if you do that with the 2, the value of 2, 2 cards down from the top in the Devil's Elevator, very important here, push the elevator button and wait, 1, 2. The 2 comes back to the top. Now you're probably thinking you're using more than 4 cards. Well, only 4 black cards is used for the Devil's Elevator. So if you take now the 3, place the 3 cards from the top, okay? Push the elevator button, very important. Wait, 1, 2, 3. The 3 comes back to the top. And I can show you I'm only using 4 cards for the Devil's Elevator. The Devil's Elevator only uses 1, 2, 3, 4 black cards for the Devil's Elevator. The 4, the last one, if you place the 4 cards from the top, and of course, very importantly, push the Devil's Elevator button, even have the spectator push the button this time, and wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 comes to the top, and you still only have 4 black cards for the Devil's Elevator. And that's the Devil's Elevator. Now, before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for all your support. And if you're looking to support this channel through YouTube, you can do that through the channel membership links given in YouTube below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. Okay, Devil's Elevator now for the tutorial. It only uses 8 cards, and the 4 cards can be a 4 of a kind. You can use the 4 aces, 4 kings, 4 queens, whatever you want to do. And then 4 just, use black spot cards for this because you're going to do an Elmsley count twice. So you just kind of want some similar cards for the Elmsley count just to make it look better. But I mean, they can be any 8 cards that you want, and however you want to perform it. There's nothing gimmicked about these cards or anything. They're just 8 cards, and you can have them in your deck of cards, and as you're doing tricks, you can pull these 8 cards out, mid trick or whatever, and get the 8 cards this way. Okay, so I just had them set up this way, and I'll just show you how I did it. So you have the 4 black cards, the 4 red cards. I put the ace on the bottom because that's the first card you're going to use for the elevator. Show the spectators your 8 cards, front and back, and then when you square up the cards, square up the top 5 cards, place these cards, which you say are 4 black cards, on the table, and that'll be the Devil's Elevator, but that's only 3 cards. It's only 3 black cards, and you're left with 5 cards, okay, with one of the black cards on the bottom. Now, you can show that you have 4 cards here. Just, peel off carefully 1, 2, 3, and then just keep this. This is 2 cards as 1 in your hand, showing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cards over. Place this, which would be the 4, the 3, the 2, and then this would be 1 card. You can flash the ace, place it on top of these black cards, and now you're set up to do the trick. So you have now 5 cards. This is my left hand, this is my right hand. 5 cards in this hand, 3 on the table, and you're left in a situation like this. You have the 2, the ace, and then 3 black cards, okay? So you say you're going to place the ace 1 card from the top, and then you do that. You just take the top card, which is actually the 2, place it 1 card from the top, push the elevator button, snap your fingers, turn over the top card, it should be the ace, okay? Now you go for the 2, which is actually the 3, okay, but the audience thinks it's a 2. Repeat this move, but place this card now 2 from the top, okay? This is actually the 3, place it 2 from the top, you're in this. Push the elevator button, give a snap, turn this card over, this is a 2. Now, turn these cards face up, and you're gonna perform an Elmsley count. Elmsley count is peeling off 1 card, okay? Then the second time you're gonna push over, which is 2 cards, as 1, And as you grab these 2 cards, you're going to place this 1 card underneath the other cards. So that's just a simple Elmsley count. If you have trouble with the Elmsley count, you can pinch the cards with your fingers, push over 1, then push over 2 with your thumb. This is my left hand again. I'm replacing this card, so you're taking this 2. As you count, that's 2. 3 is 1 card, and then 4, you're showing this card twice. So that's why you do the spot cards that look similar. So after you do the Elmsley count, now you're left with the 3 on top. So you turn these back over after you've done 1 Elmsley count. Say now you're going to take the 3, which is actually the 4, and you place it 3 from the top. 1, 2, 3. Place that in, square them up, push the button, snap your fingers. Now the 3's on top. Now you're left with 4 cards that are in this order, and this is a black card because that's the one that you stole from the top, from the beginning. Now you square these cards up with them face down, count off, just reverse count the cards. So you're just saying, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. You just reverse counted the cards, so now you're set up to do another Elmsley count. Square these up, turn the faces up, now do another Elmsley count, so that's 1 card, okay? Push off, this is 2 cards as 1, and replacing this card on the bottom as you take this, so that's 2, 1 card, 3, and then this card just goes back on top, 4. So you've done 1 Elmsley count. You should be in this situation now. Turn these back over, take the 4th card, which is a black card, place it on the bottom, square them up, push the button, and when you turn over this card, it's a 4. Now, I just like to reverse count to show that they are 4, and then turn the cards over and show them that they are all black cards, okay? And so that's the Devil's Elevator. Pretty beginner trick. You just have to do an Elmsley count twice, and that's all that is required. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments below. I do respond to comments. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you get notified of any new videos that I post. I usually post new tutorials once a week, usually on Wednesday mornings. So make sure you have that bell selected on YouTube so you get notified of when they are posted, okay? Have fun with it, and until next time.